Hey YouTube, Abdel Car Fix. A quick one for you here. Mazda 3 2007. Mazda 3, we have a problem with the power windows. The driver window wasn't working. The passenger window wasn't working. The driver window, I got it to work, but then it was just sometimes it won't go up and down. So this is the old switch. Okay, the master switch. Now the passenger side wasn't working at all, so we tried. It goes up but it will not go down. So what I find out, it was the problem, guys. This guy, what the problem with it was, the master switch was causing passenger side not to go up and down, and also was causing, even from the other side, it will not go up and down. Now I put the new switch in and it stopped working. So that's, if you're having issues with the passenger side or any doors that won't go up and down, a lot of time is those switches. A master switch here, it's the issue that's causing the problem. So remember that if you have a problem with a Mazda with windows, try those master switch, okay? And that will solve your problems. It's on Amazon, like 30-40 bucks. Get one, or get one locally for 40-50 bucks, and that will solve your windows problems. As far as the motors on those guys, very simple. This is an easy door to take out, really easy door to take out. You have two little screws that you take out. You know, there's a Phillips screw here, and there's a Phillips screw right here. See that? Here and here. You take them out, and then this whole thing pops out like that. See that? Pops completely out. Just pull it with your hands and disconnect the wires. And as far as the switch, this guy right here, it just pops with the screwdriver. Just pop it out and you can disconnect it or whatever you need to do, and the whole face will come out. And then you can, if you have to change the motor, it's really simple. 3 bolts, you take them out, you pull the motor, you put the new one in, and you know, really easy and quick. And you save yourself tons of money for doing it yourself. So yes, you know, if you have switch issues, do that and that will solve it. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, please, to my channel.